Hello everyone, it's 10:49 in the morning and we will try to solve previous year question paper of AIB 18, and we have already solved up till question number 50. We will continue from question number 51. What question number 51 says, which of the following is a landmark case on the public trust doctrine in the environmental law? Environmental law. The right option is option D, that is MC Mehta versus Kamalnath. MC Mehta versus Kamalnath. Question number 52. In which of the following case Section 66A of Information Technology Act 2000 was struck down by the Supreme Court? Its right option is option A, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Question number 53. In which of the following case an electronic record shall be attributed to the originator as per the Information Technology Act 2000? The right option is option D, that is electronic record sent by an unauthorized person. So shall not be attributed to the originator as per the IT Act 2000. That electronic record that basically that is sent by an unauthorized person. Question number 54. What is the maximum period for which any woman shall be entitled to maternity benefit under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? The right option is option D, that is 26 weeks, and 26 weeks the woman will get the paid leave according to um, for the 26 week the woman will get the paid leave that is mentioned in Maternity Benefit Act 1961. Question number 55. For what duration is a woman entitled to leave with wages for tuberculosis operation as per Maternity Benefit Act 1961? The right option is for 2 weeks. The right option is option A, that is for 2 weeks. Question number 56. What should be the minimum number of workers originally employed in any factory for having at least one canteen in the factory as per the Factories Act 1948? The right option is the workers should be in the quantity of in the number of 250 or more. Then it is mandatorily on the company to manage one canteen for those. Question number 57. Who among the following is not included in the definition of a workman as per the Industrial Dispute Act 1947? The right option is option D, that is a supervisor drawing monthly salary of 12,000. Question number 58. Who has defined tort as tortious liability arises from the breach of duty primarily fixed by law? This duty is toward persons generally, and its breach is redressable by an action for unliquidated damages. Its right option is option D, that is Winfield. Question number 59. Gloucester Grammar School case related to which of the following important maxims? The right option is damnum sine injuria. बेसिकली दो स्कूल होते हैं, पहले ये स्कूल होता है तो उसकी अच्छी इनकम हो रही होती है, तो वहीं पे दूसरा स्कूल भी आ जाता है तो उससे जो इसकी इनकम होती है वो थोड़ी कम हो जाती है, तो उस पर ये केस है. एंड द मैक्सिम on which this case is based on is damnum sine injuria. Question number 60. Which of the following provision of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 relates to no fault liability? The right option is option A, that is section 140. Question number 61. How many consumer rights are identified under the Consumer Protection Act 2019? The right option is option C, that is 6. There are 6 rights that the consumer have. Now next question, question number 62. Which of the following body constituted under the Consumer Protection Act 2019 is authorized to render advice on promotion and protection of consumers' right under the Act? The right option is option B, that is Central Consumer Protection Council. So the Central Consumer Protection Council. Right option is option B. Question number 63. Which of the following provision of the Constitution of India states that no tax can be levied, that no tax can be levied or collected except by the authority of law? Its right option is option D, that is Article 265. Question number 65. Which of the following would be the first previous year in case of a business or profession newly set on 31st March 2020 as per the Income Tax Act 1961? Now, its right option is option B, start from 31st March 2020 and will end on 31st March 2020. As we all know कि 31st मार्च को जो है वो क्लोजिंग होती है, ठीक है, 31st मार्च को क्लोजिंग हुई और 1 अप्रैल से स्टार्ट होता है, 1 अप्रैल से स्टार्ट होता है। तो कंपनी दैट इज कोइंसिडेंटल कि कंपनी जो है उन्होंने स्टार्टअप ही किया 31st मार्च को और 31st मार्च को ही क्लोजिंग होती है, तो सेम डे को ही उन्हें क्लोज करना पड़ेगा, अपनी अकाउंटिंग डिटेल जो है उन्हें अपलोड करनी पड़ेगी, मतलब प्रिपेयर करनी पड़ेगी, और उसके बाद अपलोड करने का भी टाइम मिलता है। तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, क्योंकि कंपनी जो है 31st मार्च को यहाँ पे जो है बनी है, तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 31st मार्च एंड विल एंड ऑन 31st मार्च 2020 ओनली, ठीक है। तो यही इसका ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन बी। So the next question number 65. As per the Income Tax Act 1961, a person is said to be resident of India in any previous year if he had been in India for a period of following number of days in the previous year, at least 182 days. Question number 66. Income is defined under which of the following provision of Income Tax Act 1961? The right option is option B, under section 2 subsection 24. Question number 67. Which of the following is not a fraud as per the Indian Contract Act 1872? The right option is option C, mere silence if not duty bound to speak. जहां पर बोलना अनिवार्य नहीं है वहां पर चुप रहना is not a fraud. It's not any kind of fraud. Question number 68. Which of the following statement is correct if A, intending to deceive B, falsely represent that 500 mounds of indigo are made annually at A's factory and thereby induces B to buy the factory? मान लीजिए एक व्यक्ति ने बोला एक दूसरे व्यक्ति को जिसमें वो अपनी फैक्ट्री बेचना चाह रहा है कि यहाँ पे 500 ऑफ इंडिको जो है वो यहाँ पर जो है पॉलिश होता है या फिर जो भी क्वांटिटी जो है हर सालाना जो है पर मेड एनुअली यहाँ पे बनाया जाता है और उस बेसिस पे वो अपनी फैक्ट्री जो है सेल करता है, ठीक है। अब उसने ये झूठ बोला था, अब सालाना तो उसे नहीं पता चलेगा, जो ले रहा है उसको तो 1 साल के बाद ही पता चलेगा जब वो एक्सपीरियंस गेन करेगा 1 साल में कि हाँ कितना एक्चुअल में हो रहा है। तो ये इस टाइप का जो फ्रॉड उसने किया है, तो ये जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो बना है ये बी की तरफ से वॉइडेबल होगा 1 साल के बाद। अगर वो देखता है कि देखो इसने तो इतना मुझे बोला था 500 माउंट उसने मुझे बताया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो 200 या 300 माउंट हो रहा है, तो ऐसे में वो जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो वॉइडेबल है किसके साइड से, बी के साइड से, क्योंकि किसे बेचा गया, बी को बेचा गया। अब 1 साल बाद कौन ऑब्जर्व करेगा, बी ऑब्जर्व करेगा, तो किसकी तरफ से वॉइडेबल होगा, बी की तरफ से, क्योंकि फिर 1 साल बाद वो बोल सकता है कि नहीं आपने जितना मुझे बताया था उतना तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, या तो आप मुझे सच बोलते या तो और भी फैक्टर्स बताते, तो उस बेसिस पे जो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज वॉइडेबल एट द ऑप्शन ऑफ बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. Which of the following injunction can be granted only by the decree made at hearing and upon the merit of the suit? जो केस के सुनने के बाद जो है इंजंक्शन मिलता है वो कौन सा मिलता है, टेम्परेरी नहीं, मैंडेटरी नहीं, प्रोहिबिटरी भी नहीं, परपेचुअल इंजंक्शन। द राइट ऑप्शन इज परपेचुअल इंजंक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 70. Stipulation in a bond for payment of compound interest on failure to pay simple interest at the same rate as was payable upon the principal is not a penalty within the meaning of which of the following provision of the Indian Contract Act 1872? The right option is option B, that is section 74. Question number 71. What is the default interest payable under section 63A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? The right option is option C, that is 9% per annum. Question number 72, which of the following is the time limit given under section 70, under section 17 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? A life of option is life of the transferee, यहाँ पर ट्रांसफरर होना चाहिए था. बी अ पीरियड ऑफ 18 years फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ ट्रांसफर. तो अगर ये नहीं है, ऐसे तो सी होता अगर ये ट्रांसफर हो रहा होता, तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे ट्रांसफरी मेंशन है, तो यहाँ पर एक ही ऑप्शन होगा, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी, अ पीरियड ऑफ 18 year फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ ट्रांसफर. द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी. Question number 73, which of the following is not a negotiable instrument as per the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? The right option is option B, hundi. Question number 74, in the light of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, at what rate interest will be charged if the rate of interest is not mentioned on the negotiable instruments? The right option is option C, that is 18% per annum. Question number 75, within what period from the date of publication of the declaration, if no award is made, the entire proceeding for the acquisition of land shall lapse as per the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013? The right option is option B, that is 12 months. So this is the right answer. And we should close this video here only, and we will try to solve the next 25 question in our next video. Up till then, have a good time.